Thank you, Aditya, for an incredible performance. Before we continue with the next performance, I'd love to say thank you to some people who helped this evening come together. A big thank you to Atul Kaka for sponsoring the hall and for organizing the tea and coffee. Thank you to Kaustubh Kaka and Uday Kaka for managing the sound system. And finally, thank you to Chidu Uncle for videography. So now the tea and coffee is outside, so feel free to go and take some, but make sure you take it during the changeover of performers. Next, we have a vocal performance by Gauri Pradhan, accompanied by Shalaka Maushi on tabla and Medha Maushi on harmonium. Let's give her a big round of applause. Namaskar.
Yeah. Yeah. Namaskar, my name is Gauri Pradhan. Today I will be presenting a devotional bhajan composed by Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar, originally sung by Lata Mangeshkar, Ghanu Waje Ghuna Ghuna. I would like to thank today giving me saath on Peti Medha Tai and on tabla Shalaka Tai. Thank you so much for your saath today and always your guidance and everything for me. And thank you to all of you for listening to me as well.
Devaki
जशी सेज शीतळ ओलिकी पोळे आगी सारखी वेगी विजवा का घनु वाजे गुण गुणा वारा वाहे ऋण जुणा तुम्ही गातसा सुस्वरे ऐकोने दावी उत्तरे तुम्ही गातसा सुस्वरे ऐकोने दावी उत्तरे कोकिळेवर गावी तुम्ही बाई आलो तुम्ही गातसा सुस्वरे ऐकोनी दावी उत्तरे कोकिळेवर जावी तुम्ही बाई आलो तुम्ही माझे गुण गुणा वारा वाहे ऋण जुळा दर्पणी पाहता रूप नदिसे वो आपुले दर्पणी पाहता रूप नदिसे वो आपुले बाप रखुमा देवी वरे मजैसे केले दर्पणी पाहता